In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Cash App account quickly and easily. Before you delete your account, make sure to withdraw all your money to your bank or send it to someone, as you won't be able to access your funds after deletion. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Support, then tap Something Else, and look for the option that says Close your Cash App account. Next, follow the on-screen instructions, and Cash App will ask you to confirm that you have withdrawn your balance and disabled any active subscriptions. Once confirmed, tap Confirm Closing Account to proceed. After completing the process, you will be logged out automatically, and your Cash App account will be permanently deleted. You will also receive a confirmation email. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Cash App account in just a few steps. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.